this video, we will show you how to quickly remove Bluetooth background and replace it with some things. In here, you need to open google.com and type in here remove background. Then you can open the remove background. You can right click and choose open link in new tab. And you need to open also change image background. You can right click and choose open link in new tab. First, we need to remove background, and in here I'll prepare this photo and change the background with this. It's better your photo with solid background like this, so the result will maximize. Then you can upload your image. Then you can download your photo without background in here. You can see there, it's very quickly your photo with no background now. Then you can change image background. Just upload your photo. You can change with image, for example like this, or you can using color like this, or you can using the template background image, for example like this. You can download after finish. Now your background has changed with beautiful background. That's all.